Today we'll be installing a new solution for select Jeep Wrangler JK models, 2011 to 2018. The DP-6511-JK. To start, remove the window switch by unclipping it. After, remove the 1 7mm screw from behind the window switch. Next, pop the panel off from underneath the steering column. Then, remove the 2 7mm screws from each side. After, unsnap and remove the entire dash panel. Remove the 4 screws from the radio. Disconnect all cables and remove the radio. Remove the vents by pressing the tab, then give it a quarter turn. After, slide the vent out. Here we see the tab that needs to be depressed. After attaching the brackets to the radio and plugging all harnesses, place the radio into the dash. Secure the radio with the 4 Phillips screws. Assemble the kit by screwing the back plates into their correct positions, by sliding the tabs into their corresponding spots. Refer to the instructions for proper assembly. After assembling the panel, carefully snap it into the dash cavity. The kit comes with 2 different trim panels. The one currently installed in the dash is for the flat style tweeter. This is the one trim for the tombstone style speaker. For this application, we're using the flat style. Metra offers both panels to cover both styles. After snapping the tweeter trim cover panel, place the entire dash panel into the dash cavity. Afterwards, snap the bottom panel back on. Make the proper connection, then insert the window switch back into the dash. Insert all 3 dash vents by placing them in with a quarter turn to the left, and then snap it into the right. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. To complete the installation, snap the top dash panel in. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.